question, Bruce.
Yeah.
For branding, because I just have like, just words on a page. Does all the leads do like specific branding? Do you recommend them or someone else to kind of, because I've got a logo, it's just putting it all together is just more time. Do you recommend just doing that myself or someone to help with the logo and making it a little more pretty?
Um, I think that they can help with that. I don't want to promise they can help with that. I think that they can. I normally go to a guy named Danny Atkinson in Texas for customized material. He does not run mail, so it's normally going to be like the design and maybe the print things and ship them in a big box to your house if you're getting print material. So, example, my vendor list front and back. This was by ordering 200 of these, I think. I think they were like 30 cents a piece, if I'm not mistaken. And I gave him $100 to do the design for me. So I would normally go to someone named Danny for that. Now, that's not to say don't ask all the leads for it. They may do it. They do a lot of things that maybe I'm not aware of. So you might ask them. We'll drop Danny's information. Lou, do you have Danny's information, or should I chase it down and drop it in chat?
No, I don't have that.
Okay, hey, David Pinnell uses Danny. He and I each found Danny separately, and both of us use him for design. David, if you have his info, drop it in chat. I am, if not, I'm hunting it down. I'll have it in chat here in just a minute. As a matter of fact, I got it now.
I like the idea of a big envelope with my branding on it sent to their house. Do you handwrite the address once you have a warm lead, or do you like does it just a regular stamp? Like what does that piece look like?
Yeah. We're doing a lot of mail, so we're just printing it. So we're just printing the address on the envelope. I would handwrite it if I was doing one-off personally myself. I would handwrite each address.
Excellent. Okay.
So at scale, it's a little bit harder to put not harder, it's impossible to put a handwritten address on there. But when you're doing, let's say you get 20 warm conversations a month, then I would hand address those all day.
Okay. Would you ever sign the like list or the cover letter or something like that, just a signature
Yeah.
that had some personalization or no?
If I was at 20 or so leads a month,
Okay.
I
Yeah,
would
fair
do it
enough.
all day long. At
Okay.
scale, no. Now the good thing is with signatures is you can load an image of your blue signature in. You can take a photo of it. You can put that image on your letter, and so it can look like a handwritten signature to someone that's not scrutinizing it. So that's a possibility if you're trying to do it at scale as well. So just take a picture, put that picture as an image on your Word document or your Google Doc for printing.
Awesome.